AAP Delhi president Saurabh Bhardwaj has made a big announcement that the Aam Aadmi Party will not field a candidate at all in the upcoming mayoral elections, effectively stepping out of the race. Now, Saurabh Bhardwaj also said that all belongs to the BJP and declared that the BJP should now elect its own mayor and form its own standing committee and govern Delhi without any excuses. A big statement from the side of AAP spokesperson Saurabh Bhardwaj. Now, also after announcing that Aam Aadmi Party will not field a candidate in the upcoming mayoral elections, Saurabh Bhardwaj also took a jibe at the BJP. He said that all belongs to the Bharatiya Janata Party and also declared that the BJP should now elect its own mayor and form its own standing committee and govern Delhi without any excuses at all. Listen in to what Saurabh Bhardwaj had to say.
आम आदमी पार्टी ये मानती है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास आज नंबर्स हैं, चाहे जिस भी अनैतिक तरीके से उन्होंने नंबर्स इकट्ठे किए हैं, तो आज दिल्ली के अंदर उनकी ट्रिपल इंजन की सरकार होनी चाहिए, बल्कि मैं तो 4 इंजन कहूँगा उनका, क्योंकि एलजी भी है। तो अब उनका केंद्र है, उनका एलजी है, उनकी दिल्ली सरकार है और उनका एमसीडी भी हो जाएगा। तो अब कोई बहानेबाजी दिल्ली वालों से ना बनाएं और वो दिल्ली के अंदर पूरा प्रशासन चला के दिखाएं, चाहे बरसातों के अंदर जलभराव हो, चाहे हवा का पोल्यूशन हो, चाहे यमुना की सफाई हो, चाहे स्कूलों की फीस हो, चाहे कूड़ों के पहाड़ हो, चाहे गली की सफाई हो, चाहे मलबे के ढेर हो, चाहे रोड के ऊपर ट्रैफिक हो। अब ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जिम्मेदारी है, अब वो करके दिखाएं।
Also joining me on the broadcast once again is my colleague Riyanka. Riyanka, speak to us about this entire matter. AAP has completely exited the mayoral polls race now.
Very certainly, as we also heard, Aam Aadmi Party Delhi chief Saurabh Bhardwaj, who is also one of the key spokesperson of the party, has very clearly stated and announced that the Aam Aadmi Party will not be fielding its candidate for the upcoming mayoral polls, and which is, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party withdrawing itself from that particular race. Now, it is more of a challenge that the Aam Aadmi Party has rather put on the BJP, and it says that we are not going to be contesting the mayoral polls. Rather, it is the BJP. Delhi belongs to the BJP. Now the BJP must go ahead and elect its own mayor. The BJP must go ahead and elect its own standing committee as well as rule the national capital. In fact, Saurabh Bhardwaj was also heard saying the fact that it is all now the responsibility of the BJP, which is in power in the national capital, to take stock of the traffic jams, of the water issues, of the school and medical issues that are there in the national capital, of course all the other important issues such as Yamuna, something that the BJP has already begun its work with. But at this point in time, the Aam Aadmi Party withdrawing from the mayoral polls looks like one of its situations that we are awaiting one of the responses from the BJP. There, of course, will be a sharp retort from the BJP at this angle as well.
Right, Riyanka. Thanks for getting us to round with all the updates.